As fabrication standards continue to rise, welding systems must evolve beyond basic automation. This platform represents a shift toward controlled, process-driven manufacturing. Its rigid mechanical structure provides the stability required for long operating hours and demanding production schedules. Carefully designed linear travel allows the system to accommodate complex spool dimensions with consistent accuracy. By coordinating both torch orientation and component rotation, the welding process remains stable throughout the entire joint. Every movement is engineered to follow a predictable path, minimizing variation during operation. Advanced motion engineering ensures smooth transitions between axes, even during continuous weld cycles. This controlled movement directly influences heat distribution, resulting in uniform weld appearance and penetration. By reducing reliance on manual intervention, the system delivers consistent results across repeated jobs. The outcome is improved productivity, reduced rework, and dependable weld quality. A purpose-built solution for stainless steel fabrication environments where precision, reliability, and scalability are essential.